All right, so why don't we start here and
Work down. Aye, Captain. I can't help. Just as in you can't see what's going on.
right on.
Are we doing like just this part, or are we doing like this whole part?
The light's not working.
It's not charged, huh?
It appears as such. Perfect.
So now you're on. Oh yeah, we're starting the paint journey. We got teal blue. It's an original 68 color. Not this car's original, but it's an original color. Right?
What?
Teal blue, original color.
Teal blue, that's right.
Not this car's original, but an original 68 color.
It's a original 68 color.
This one was
right.
what, maroon?
Exactly.
But we're not doing maroon.
Nope.
Against better judgments. Or in better judgments. We'll see, you know? Should be a nice. Oh, look at you. Just have a little wheelie.
Plug it in.
Ow.
I don't know.
This thing doesn't have an end. Doesn't have a sticker. Just has a hole.
Oh, for Pete's sakes.
Where even is it?
Maybe this works for this? I don't know.
Where even is its hole? Oh,
it has the cover on, that's why you can't find it.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Perfect. What more lighting do you need?
It's the brightest setting. I could just... I think this is worse than nothing. I wish this light was like taller.
Shut the door, maybe
like
it helps.
A ladder. You need ladder-sized lights.
I need a lot of stuff.
Are we gonna do some renovation?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Honestly, I like the outside light better, but you're the boss, so.
Perfect.
You get to make your own decision.
Any of them, that would be nice.
Any of them. I think that one works, right? Or that one. One of them.
Here, I'll turn it on for you. Nope. There you go.
That one, okay. We could use our little, cute little things we got.
Headlamps. Don't be taking that off.
How?
Permanently.
How do we use it if it's stuck?
Adhered.
Okay. Where's? Don't we have one in the car?
I don't know what's better. Yep, there's one in the car.
Oh yeah, that's brighter than the hole.
There you go. Stick it on your forehead. There's Velcro. It comes with Velcro.
I'm not sticking it on my forehead. I'll stick it in my pocket though. Is that good enough? If you know, as I'm working.
That'll work.
Yeah, right. You just need to put one in your pocket.
Need my
I
headlamp.
don't know if you can see me with the. This lighting is good. Can you even see anything on the camera?
I see you. You look like an angel.
Okay. As long as we see something. Maybe we should like can I string this bad boy up? Do you think that's a bad idea?
That's a bad idea.
Give me some glaze. I found an imperfection.
Exactly.
Is that 22?
320.
That's what we had to use? To get the primer off? Or just what you want to
We're
use?
not taking the primer off. We're just...
Well, not taking it off, but, you know, roughing it.
I mean, ultimately, we're trying to smooth the surface. So we're starting with 320, and then 400, and then 600.
Ah.
And this can be wet or dry, so...
What happens if it's wet?
Stick it in a bucket. Helps you
Stick.
lubricate the surface as you sand.
Ah.
It's not the best because so when you sand, you want to go in an X pattern. So
Yeah. Up, down.
go this way, and then go this way, and then lightly hit the crease.
Straight on.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. You should probably wear your mask.
Can I do the roof or what? Roof? Do it. You don't like everything. What am I even here for? Huh?
Tape it for the moment.
You want me to start that? Okay. Where did you keep all your cement board? Huh? Where is the tape at? Huh? In the tape drawer? Where's the tape drawer? So obviously I don't know where that is. Oh, that smells so good. Nice.
It's way too much, but
We can sand it off, right?
yes, you can.
Body filler scares me.
Especially when it's done by a complete amateur.
I hope, like, you think we can make a candle that smells like this? Body filler candle.
Pull that top page of paper off and throw it away.
Killer. I still don't know where the tape is. So I can't tape it off.
Why don't we go get the mirrors out of the shed and make sure that these bolts are right.
Mickey.
And we should also install these trim pieces. Install and uninstall. So
Through the
that
holes.
we don't have to drill into fresh paint when we're done. So yeah, they're in the shed somewhere. Aren't you taking your fan base with you? Okay, friends, we're going to the garage. I mean shed.
It's probably horrible. And go. Ow. God, I love shed.
I think it's probably the box laying on top of those windows, so right under these rafts.
God damn, how many did you get?
Enough. For me and all my friends.
You hear that, guys? He only has 3 friends. This?
That's it, yeah. And there's some mirrors. One mirror.
There's nothing in there. Oh, there is. One mirror?
So there's another mirror somewhere. Find it.
Ooh, found it.
No. It's a new box like this. That's the old thing that isn't even a Camaro mirror.
I also found some window things. Oh, found a rear view mirror.
Yes. Don't look in there.
Why?
Because you should always be looking forward. Well, you got a root.
Come on.
Huh?
You got a root?
Root. Or is it root?
Summer's coming up. I got a lot of time.
So where's the other mirror?
I don't know.
Don't get grease on those.
Lord have mercy. I'll put them over here. Trying to look for some mirrors.
What do we have here?
Empty box.
Look. You know what this is for? This is for seeing the eclipse. That's what you call an eclipse box.
Okay, well, where did your...
There aren't 2 mirrors in here, right?
Maybe. It says quantity 1.
Okay, then there's just one.
Oh, we got some more. Ah! Stuck my toe. It's okay. Is this it? Rectangle mirror?
Must be. It's a different color box, the 3 mirror.
Yeah, but it said rectangle mirror on the side, so...
Threw me for a loop-de-loop, you know?
Shouldn't have. Oh, where's the other one? Did you take the trim box?
I did.
Where'd you put it?
I have no idea.
Oh, you put it right here.
There it is.
Here's driver's side.
Okay, I'll put this over here for you.
rubber. Do you label them?
I need a straight line. Huh?
Do you label them?
Front and back?
Where the holes go?
Not yet. That's what I need a straight line for. Hello. There you go.
I don't know how low I can go. I haven't gotten there yet.
Okay, the first step is to draw a line.
Okay.
Here we go. Center to center. Oh, that's perfect. And that's perfect. Self-tappers for the win.
Oh, this one's got a big hole on it.
What?
Remember how we put the overskin? So there's that big old hole.
You better show your audience what you're talking about.
You don't
Because
even know
they're
what I'm
curious
talking
now.
about. They're curious. But they're watching you drill cute little holes.
But I'm done.
We gotta have 2 cameras. Comment if you want us to have 2 cameras.
2 cameras for the win.
Cute.
Is that a nice bracket or what?
Nice. And you see the 2 holes on the other side? Let me show you the other side.
Maximum airflow.
No, it's not. It's for laziness that we don't want to recover it over again. Here's, whew, that's like a whole middle finger up in there. It's like big, big holes. I don't know how we're gonna cover that up. Exactly. Body filler. Do you need my help? Ooh. Okay, just go the other one. I have it in my fingers. No. My fingers.
Where'd you get one?
I didn't feel like it. How long do I need? Tiny? Tiny but mighty? Ooh. Complicated, isn't it?
It's something.
What?
Why do you think it's
Is there a way you could put it in backwards? Here, let go. I want to see what happens.
It's gonna fall
Oh, it's connected, so it won't. Unless you unscrew the screw that's holding it.
off? I'm trying to screw it in. That's the problem.
See, that's
Here.
that's why the wood's
Bring your
screwed.
people over here.
Bring the people.
Well, how the hell's a wood screw gonna help?
Cause it's flatter. Look how much uplift those things have. At least like a fingernail. Yeah, that would be flush. Try one of those. Or at least try it in there.
It seems like it's gonna drag on the window, no? Alright, let's do it.
I don't know. Just cut a little bit off. My face is itchy. I think I'm allergic to dust. You got any ice cream in here?
I think you're allergic to work.
Ah! That's not pretty. You want to split popsicle with me? I'm not allergic to work.
As long as I get the first out.
I'm not paying you that. I think I love work as long as it's what I know how to do, you know? How am I supposed to do things I don't know how to do?
YouTube.
Yeah, exactly, but you are here and you know what you're doing, so I can watch you do it, so then next time I know what I'm doing.
This just feels wrong.
This is so entertaining. It's like watching Vesper's Garage in real life. I mean, that is funny.
That's for sure. Well, there you go. One mirror installed.
You gonna leave it like that?
What do you mean? I want to sit in my car, see if I can see how.
You mean like over here do the next one? I should put both on. Then you get the full effect.
Because I gotta celebrate small successes. Oh yeah. That's awesome. I want to see something out of it.
Here, you want me to pretend to be a car behind you? Vroom, 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 vroom. Can you see me?
Nope.
Can you see me?
Barely.
Can you see me?
I see a hand.
Okay, well.
All done?
Shiny. This one's definitely got its issues.
Oh, you know what that big hole is for, right?
Your finger? Is it close enough? They can see now.
Zoom in, huh? You're getting them right up in here.
This is an immersive experience. They're paying for the best.
Submersible.
We're
Do what
not.
you pay for, that's what they always say.
We're not underwater. Okay, let me unpack.
Fuck me.
They are really small.
Ask your friends, how's this supposed to go?
I don't have any friends.
Oh. Well, that's good.
That's why I'm here with my dad on a Saturday evening.
Saturday.
Putting on mirrors.
What better thing to do, man?
You want to use one of them?
Self-tapper. You didn't draw the line, what the hell? What have you done?
I told you this was more complicated. What do you want me to do? Draw the line if you're wrong?
It's like you're gonna have to do some welding, I think.
Body filler.
We're
Body
not,
filler
we're not
fix.
that big of hacks.
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
Rednecks.
This-
Line!
Oh. Why are you doing body filler? I don't need this.
Well, use it anyway. I brought it to you.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear.
I'm grateful.
I'm grateful. That's what I am.
Where'd you put your drill bit?
I don't know what we're having for dinner.
I found it.
I'm hungry.
What kind of food you want?
Maybe an out burger.
You want some of my popsicle?
I want what?
Do you want some of your popsicle?
What are you doing with that? Where's the self-tapper? That's right. Where's the self-tapper in?
It's in one of my pockets.
Well, that's not doing me any good.
I didn't know what self-tapper meant.
Until today.
Can't.
You're learning, that's good.
Ow! Help.
No, doesn't help.
Oh, okay. I was just doing the other way.
It's just a bad thing to do because it'll probably have grease on it. Stick that in your pocket.
Okay, well, careful. That's not tightened. You know, bait is really bad now.
Says no one ever.
Okay, I said bite. No. Yeah.
The drill's all
Stuck in it.
ouch! That hurt my finger.
Uh-oh. And you lost the self-tapper.
Never to be seen again.
I'll get the stick.
There it is.
Oh, okay, good. I don't really want to get the stick.
Against the. I don't have any metal region.
Well, you know what we can do?
No.
Body fill it.
You and body filling.
least I admitted it. I was honest.
Sure, it'd be nice to have a drill, but that actually drilled.
Oh, you know who is a big boy and can buy himself new drill bits?
Who?
You!
My birthday's coming up probably.
How's this one? Yeah, you entertain them, okay?
Entertainment. Commencing entertainment. Check. Alright, let's see what we can do now. Well, there you have it. We're done. And we have one small issue.
I'm back. You missed me.
Okay, we're done. You can come back now.
What?
What?
You done?
Am I?
You said that, did you know?
How's it look?
Like the other side? Did you get it started? I don't think it's in there.
You gotta take it till you strip the screw. What the hell?
You mean you're moving the whole car with it, so. What?
That mirror.
Shift? Okay.
Ooh, it does a wibble wobble.
Just do the wiggle wobble.
Weeble wobble.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. It moves up and down if I really press hard enough.
Oh, that's not right.
You wanna go test it? Like, if I wobble the mirror, it's not that bad. Like, I can barely get an inch.
Check out the wobble.
Check out this wobble. What do you guys think about that wobble?
You think that's acceptable amount of wobble? I guess.
You have to keep the camera still. Oh, you're wobbling. Do it again.
Don't tell me what to do. Can you see that?
Look, I'm getting the front angle of the mirrors.
That's our best view.
The front? So we got options.
Maybe that'll whistle when we drive.
I don't think so.
No, it's sealed.
I think, are these all the same? Or is there like a specific side it's supposed to go on?
I think there's a specific side.
For like left, right, or like front, back?
I don't know. Probably both.
I'm thinking it's this one. What's on the other side? That's ours. That wheel.
Is it different?
That's why I asked you, and you said probably.
Did you look at it?
Ooh.
What's the sticker?
All it says is reproductive harm.
What's the sticker? What's it say?
It says LG00587 LH. Left hand.
What does LH mean? Okay, we're getting somewhere.
And then it uses reproductive harm. So that sticker says LH. This one sticker says RH. So we're right-handed, right? Yes.
Wow.
What?